Nothing.
Okay. What did you do today? Next time you'll be the one to put on your seatbelt, okay?
No!
Why?
I don't like to. I'm not gonna be growing like a man.
Why?
Being a man don't want to be graduating.
Why are you screaming?
I don't want to graduate.
You're gonna be a man soon.
No! No!
You have to learn responsibilities.
No!
Like putting... You said you're gonna make a time machine?
Yes!
Why?
I will be going back to 2013.
Why?
So I will stay like that to be a baby.
You wanna be a baby?
Yes.
Why?
I don't want to do it myself. I want to be 2 years old.
And then if you turn 2 years old, what's going to happen?
I will go to a high chair. I don't want to be a man.
Wanna go to a high chair?
Yes.
But that's for babies.
But I want to turn back to 2013.
Why?
Because I don't want to grow up when I be a man. I'll turn 30 in 2041, but that's really stupid.
Why?
I don't like to be a man anymore.
You'll be one too. Soon. Because you're 6 already. Okay?
No.
You'll be the one putting on your seatbelt.
No! No!
Why are you crying?
I don't like to do that.
Why?
I don't like to do my seatbelt myself.
You're big enough already to do it.
Why?
Because you're a big boy now.
I am turning to a man.
Not yet, but you'll be one soon. You have to learn responsibilities like putting on your seatbelt.
No!
Okay?
No!
What's wrong with putting on? You did it already. And it's easy.
I want to be one.
I thought you want to be 2. You want to be 1 now?
Yes!
Why are you screaming? You mad?
Yes, I don't want to learn about responsibility.
Why? You need to be responsible.
To be a man?
You're not gonna be a man soon. But you're gonna be bigger.
I will be why I'm going to be bigger? No!
Why you don't want to be bigger?
I don't want to do...
You don't want to grow up?
Yes.
You're gonna stay like that?
Yes.
Why?
I'll be like Peter Pan. I'll stay like this. I'll go to Neverland. Bye-bye. I'll be like that.
You're gonna stay in Neverland? Huh?
Yes, I will not grow up.
Okay. So you're gonna be staying like that?
Yes.
I'll tell mommy.
I will be 30.
What?
I don't like being a man. Being a man is too hard to drive. I don't know how to drive cars. I don't know how to drive ships.
I'll teach you.
No!
Why?
Being a man is not responsible.
But you're getting bigger, see, oh?
Huh?
You're a big boy now, oh?
No!
You don't want to be a big boy?
Yes!
You just want to stay like that?
Yes!
And then what's going to happen?
I will be in Neverland.
Alright. I'll see you in Neverland, okay? Can I
Why?
go there?
No.
Why? I can't go to Neverland?
Yeah.
Why is that?
I'm angry. I'm going to be angry. I'm going to be angry here because I don't like to grow up.
Okay. But you'll be growing up soon.
Why?
See, you're how old are you now?
2.
See, you know how to put on your seatbelt now.
I'm 2.
From now on, you'll be the one putting on your seatbelt, okay?
Why?
Because you're big now,
No.
okay?
I will stay like this.
Okay. And then?
I'll go to Neverland. Peter Pan versus me.
Okay. Peter Pan versus you?
Yes.
So you're gonna be fighting with Peter Pan?
No, we're gonna be who's gonna be good and who's gonna be bad. Maybe Peter Pan will be bad, and maybe I will win.
Okay. Okay. But I'll tell mommy, okay, that you know how to put on your seatbelt now, okay?
No.
Why?
What?
I'll tell mommy that you know how to put on the seatbelt.
No.
Why? So that you'll be the one doing it from now on.
No.
Okay?
No.
I'll tell her
No.
you're a big boy.
No. No.
Now. Okay?
No.
Hey, why are you screaming?
I don't want to be a big boy anymore.
Why?
I'm trying to be big, but I would still want to be little like this. I will still be like this.
Okay.